Hello everybody, my name is Mikayla and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is my weekly reset day, so I'm going to be showing you what that looks like for me. I do mine on Tuesdays because I work most of the other days and I don't really want to do mine on a weekend, but that's just me. So I always do my weekly resets on Tuesdays, and my room is like a dumpster fire right now. I've got clothes everywhere. My desk in front of me is a complete mess. My bedside table's a mess. My whole room's just a mess. So the first thing we're gonna do is laundry. Laundry needs to be done really bad. I normally only ever do laundry one day a week because I do my own laundry because I'm an adult. And so I only normally have to do it once a week. So I saved that for Tuesdays, and now we have a complete mess of clothes that need to be cleaned. So we're going to start off doing that. I want to wipe down everything. My carpet needs vacuumed really bad, so that's also on the to-do list for today. But let's not procrastinate and let's do some laundry. So the next order of business is surfaces, because that is a mess. And then this is my bedside table, which is also a mess. And then that is the desk. The desk situation is a mess. And that we're not going to touch today. Bookshelf is just not today. And then this is just random crap that either needs to go downstairs or just be put away. And then this over here just kind of needs organized. I kind of want to move my desk over, but I'm probably not going to do that today. I'll probably make that be a later me problem because I can't decide how I want to do it yet. So we're just going to clean the surfaces now. So now all of the surfaces are cleaned off, wiped off, dusted, all of that good stuff. We are going to finish up doing the floors, and we're pretty much done. I normally would wash my sheets, but I did that last week, and I try to do it like every other week or so. Sometimes I wait a month. It just kind of depends, especially since it's not in summer or it's as hot. Normally for me, I don't do it as often, if I'm being honest. So I normally do it in the winter around once a month, and then like every 2 weeks during the summer. So I just did that, or I would do that today. So yeah, we're gonna finish up doing the floors, and then we've just got to put the laundry away, and the room is completely reset for the week. this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. The only thing I didn't show was folding and putting away my laundry because I find it so monotonous that I'm not going to show it. But I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you guys want to see a closet clean out. I didn't include that in this video because it deserves its whole own video because I haven't cleaned it in about 2 years, like deep cleaned it and got rid of stuff. So let me know if you want to see that down in the comments below, and I will be sure to do that soon. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.